third category in the DAM series of microphones is accessories. DAM series accessories are split into two categories: shock mounts and table stands. The H500 shock mount is designed for permanent installation of E and ES version goosenecks. The H500 shock mount consists of a durable plastic shell and flexible inner rubber boot. The gooseneck base is held in place by friction. This shock mount requires a mounting hole of 2 inches and provides attenuation of structural borne noise by 12 dB. The H600 is similar to the H500, but for added security features a locking clutch that prevents removal of the gooseneck module. The H600 requires a 2 1/8 inch mounting hole. The PS3 F-Lock has a lockable panel mount connector with an integrated 3-pin female XLR. The MFDA is a micro-mounting flange. This will allow the flush mounting of the GN flange-based goosenecks without drilling any holes for pass-through of the cable. The ST46 is a micro stand for where a small footprint is needed. The ST45 table stand is a heavier metal base plate with shock-absorbing rubber feet. The ST6 is a heavy-duty table stand with 2 3-pin XLR connectors for audio interfacing.